Welcome to Home DIY. Today we're diving into the bold and sophisticated world of Black Farmhouse kitchens. This modern twist on a timeless design blends rustic charm with sleek, dramatic elements to create a space that's both functional and breathtaking. Black farmhouse kitchens are all about balance. They combine the warmth and coziness of farmhouse style with the bold contemporary edge of black accents. The result? A kitchen that feels both inviting and high-end. This style is perfect for anyone who loves traditional design, but isn't afraid to make a statement. Let's start with the cabinets. Matte black or charcoal cabinets are a hallmark of this design. They create a sleek, polished look while serving as the perfect backdrop for rustic farmhouse details. Pair them with hardware in warm tones like brass or antique gold to add contrast and a touch of elegance. Next, let's talk about countertops and backsplashes. A white marble countertop with subtle veining or butcher block counters creates a striking contrast with black cabinetry. For the backsplash, classic white subway tiles are a popular choice. But for a bolder look, try a patterned tile or black tiles with a glossy finish. Lighting plays a crucial role in a black farmhouse kitchen. Pendant lights with industrial or farmhouse flair look stunning over an island or dining table. Opt for warm lighting to soften the boldness of the black elements and enhance the cozy farmhouse feel. To ground the design in its farmhouse roots, add rustic touches. Think reclaimed wooden beams, open shelving, or a farmhouse sink. These elements add texture and warmth, balancing the modernity of the black tones. For the flooring, go with materials that complement the farmhouse aesthetic. Wide plank wood floors in natural or dark stains are a timeless choice. Tile with a vintage pattern can also work beautifully, adding an extra layer of charm to your space. Finish the look with thoughtful decor. Add pops of greenery, like potted herbs or a vase of fresh flowers, to soften the dark tones. Vintage accessories like copper pots, ceramic jars, or woven baskets tie the whole look together while keeping it functional. A Black Farmhouse kitchen is all about finding the perfect balance. The boldness of black tones paired with the warmth of natural materials and rustic decor creates a space that's as beautiful as it is practical. Whether you're cooking, entertaining, or simply enjoying your morning coffee, this design makes every moment feel special. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Black Farmhouse Kitchen Ideas. If you're feeling inspired, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more design tips and home inspiration. See you next time.